Okay, here's the hitch. Then we're gonna put this on today, use it, see how it goes. Okay, I had to do quite a bit of notching to get this little piece in here, and the way that I made it was I used this bolt here, down here at the bottom. I used this bolt in order to adjust this whole thing so I could place it where I wanted it. And I had to, like I said, I had to do a whole lot of notching in order to get it to work. And so now some of these holes where I notched it, I'm going to have to fill it. And I'm going to fill it with a little piece of steel. Well, I figured out that the air portion doesn't work anymore. It did when I tried it before, but the jack part, this mechanism here does work, but it's very slow. And it has lifted it some over here. It's lifted it about maybe 5-7 inches, something like that. Figured out that there's a small little valve over here right here, this cap screw, you got to open it and then it works. And this one right here, you have to close that to make it work. According to the advertising, this thing is supposed to extend way out. It doesn't extend too much more than what it is right now. It might extend maybe 6 or 7, maybe 8 inches more than it is right now. But the air portion right down there, that hose right there at the bottom, that doesn't work. I could not get it to work. It did fine on the bench, but not when I'm trying to lift something. And according to the advertising and everything, it says right there 8 tons. Well, it won't even lift 200 pounds, let alone 8 tons. So I'm going to have to send it back because it doesn't do like they say it did. I unhooked this thing and it's extremely heavy, but now I'm in a dilemma because this thing here, this shaft right here, it's stuck in there now. I don't know if I can get it out or not. Well, I had to take this hammer and whack it right here with this big forging hammer and put this bore against it so I wouldn't mar up the paint, but it's too late for the paint. It's already marred, and the paint is all peeling off anyway. So I'm not really satisfied with this whole thing.